Going for a run. Going for a run is one of my favorite ways to stay active and healthy. I usually run in the park or around my neighborhood. Running makes me feel strong and energized. I like to start by warming up with some stretches, and then I begin my run at a comfortable pace. Sometimes I run with my friends, and we compete to see who can run the fastest. Other times, I run alone while listening to my favorite songs. Running helps me clear my mind, and I often think about my day, my goals, and what I want to do next. It also makes me feel good because it's a great form of exercise. When I run, my body releases endorphins, which are chemicals that make me feel happy. I always feel proud of myself after finishing a run because I've accomplished something. Running is also a great way to challenge myself. Every time I run, I try to go a little faster or run a little farther. It helps me improve my fitness level and stay in shape.